Today we are going to talk about editing YouTube video after publishing it. Recently I uploaded a video to teach Photoshop Neuro filters, in which I taught how to use skin smoothing, smart portrait, colorize and many more, which teaches ways to change facial expressions seamlessly. After uploading, I realized that in Islam, photos are allowed only without any filtering or editing. Then I searched and came up with an article and a video. This explained that changing the photo to improve it or to distort it is prohibited in Islam. Link for those are available in the description below. I decided to remove the video from YouTube, but the problem was that I already shared it with a few close friends and students. I don't want to let them land in a dead URL. So I tried and found that I can't upload an edited version to the same link on YouTube. That's quite disappointing, yet I believe that is how it should be. Because when you share a video from YouTube and later you find out the video has been changed to something that you dislike, this can happen if the YouTubers are allowed to re-upload to the same URL. However, the good news is YouTube allows me to edit the video on YouTube itself. This way, visitors won't get lost as well as the viewer counter will remain to continue. So I thought this would be a useful feature for many of the YouTubers, as anyone may realize a mistake in the middle of the video after uploading it. That is why I decided to write a tutorial and to make a video on how to do it on YouTube. Edit YouTube video. While you are logged into YouTube, go to your profile picture, click your channel. From the left sidebar, click your videos. Click the video you want to edit. Click the editor link from the left sidebar. Trim and save changes. Click trim link above the timeline. Drag your playhead to the beginning of the area you want to remove. Click split from the bottom of the window. Drag the blue highlight line to select the area you want to be deleted from the video. You can trim any number of mistakes or unwanted parts in your video. Once you are done, click preview from the bottom of window and click save from the top right corner. That's for this tutorial. Hope you find it useful. Assalamu alaikum.